Why is colorectal cancer rising in young people? A question that has puzzled medical professionals and alarmed the public in recent years. Evidence suggests that several modifiable risk factors are contributing to this increasing trend. These include diet, physical activity, obesity, poor sleep, alcohol use, and tobacco use. Dr. Anton Bilchik, a surgical oncologist and director of the Gastrointestinal and Hepatobiliary Program at Providence St. John's Cancer Institute, asserts that the increasing diagnosis of colon cancer in young people indicates that the clock starts ticking at a young age. Bilchik emphasizes the importance of awareness and preventive measures such as regular physical activity and a diet low in processed foods and red meat. However, the story doesn't end there. According to Bilchik, another possible cause for this alarming rise could be the use of antibiotics. It is known that our bodies house trillions of bacteria known as the microbiome, which play a crucial role in our immune system and in preventing the development of colorectal cancer. The indiscriminate use of antibiotics at a young age may be neutralizing some of these important bacteria, making younger people more susceptible to colon cancer in the future. Moreover, Bilchik suggests that everyone should pay more attention to adopting anti-inflammatory lifestyles, as inflammation has been associated with the development of colorectal cancer. This includes eating the right foods, maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and avoiding a sedentary lifestyle. Dr. Jacqueline Casillas, a board-certified pediatric hematologist, oncologist, and medical director of the Jonathan Jacques Children's Cancer Institute, reminds us not to overlook other risk factors for cancer that have been identified in older adults. In summary, the rising incidence of colorectal cancer in young people appears to be driven by a combination of modifiable risk factors such as diet, physical activity, obesity, and antibiotic use. However, more research is needed to fully understand this complex issue. In the meantime, adopting a healthy lifestyle and being aware of the potential risks can help protect against this disease. Having understood the rising trend of colorectal cancer in young people, it's crucial to know that prevention starts now. Adopting a healthy lifestyle is the best defense against this disease. Here are some ways you can take charge of your health. Firstly, pay attention to your diet. Opt for whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit the intake of processed foods, high-fat foods, and red meat. These diet modifications can significantly reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. Secondly, engage in regular physical activity. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or a gym workout, make sure to keep your body moving. Physical activity not only helps maintain a healthy weight, but also aids in reducing inflammation, a key factor associated with colorectal cancer. Thirdly, ensure you get a good night's sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to a weakened immune system, making you more susceptible to diseases, including cancer. Lastly, limit your use of antibiotics. Antibiotics should only be used when necessary, as overuse can disrupt your gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in preventing colorectal cancer. Remember, it's never too early to start taking care of your health. Prevention is always better than cure. Stay aware, stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel for more interesting ideas about health-related topics. Your support helps us to continue providing valuable information that can make a difference in your life and the lives of those you care about.